18. Surah Al-Kahf, the cave. 69 Surah according to the order of revelation. This is a Makki Surah revealed 4-5 years before the Hijrah. It has 110 verses in 12 sections. The Surah answered some questions that the Mushrikin of Makkah posed to the Prophet, peace be upon him. The answer came in a very clear way and also challenged them to accept the message of Islam. In this surah, we have the stories of the people of the cave, the man who had 2 gardens and was very proud of himself, Prophet Moses with an angelic figure, Dhulqarnain, a pious ruler. These stories are told to emphasize the value of faith, knowledge and patience, the relativity of time and the variety in this world. Introduction to the sections. Number 1, the straight message of the Qur'an. Number 2, the companions of the cave. Number 3, the proof of resurrection. Number 4, always remember Allah. Everything depends on Allah's will. Number 5, the parable of an ungrateful person and a grateful person. Number 6, wealth and children are only a passing show. Number 7, Satan and his progeny, they are the open enemies of human beings. Number 8, Allah's mercy is available all the time. Number 9, Prophet Moses searched for a teacher. Number 10, some strange events and their explanations. Number 11, the pious ruler Dhulqarnain, Gog and Magog. Number 12, the real losers and winners.